Pupper. Why are you recording? Hello. Ollie. Ollie. Hi.
So Kendra, you want to tell us what we're doing today?
We're going to Smith's.
To
Get me a Starbucks.
and
Get kicked out.
yeah. All right, so basically the plan is, like Kendra said, to see if we get kicked out of the store with a dog. That's why we got little Ollie featured here, and because he's adorable and we need clickbait, you know.
Yeah.
Clickbait. Doggos. Lots of doggos.
Pupper.
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 Okay. So yeah, that's the plan for today. We're gonna walk to Smith's.
See you there.
Let's go. Yourself, Ollie? Oh yes, big smile. You want cars? Which one do you want, Ollie? Huh? Yeah? Okay. Ollie has no opinion, which I guess I shouldn't expect more from a dog, you know?
Okay, we're putting Oliver in the diaper.
Oh yeah, and quick update, we did not get kicked out.
Yeah.
People are too nice.
Yeah, they
They've
were
been
like,
puppy
oh, cute
bribes."
puppy.
Our goal was destroyed, our hopes and dreams. But they
How are
will
we
be
gonna get this
replenished. I don't know. You work it out. You're smart, yeah? Yeah, don't.
My coffee.
Yeah.
A dog on coffee.
More clickbait.
Stay still. Stay still.
He's like, no. How do you feel, bud? Yeah? He looks weird. Out of 10. How well can you diaper? Yes? Okay. Ollie loves it.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Sadly, we didn't get kicked out, but we successfully got him in a diaper.
Yeah.
So, we'll
I would
see.
say that's a success. That's a success on our part.
Yeah. Okay, we'll see you guys next time. Love you. Bye.